Hi, I'm Jesse Caligieri.
I'm Sean Smith.
And I'm Jake Spalding.
And we're going to talk to you about mercury, which is our element from the periodic table. Mercury is a liquid at room temperature, and it has a silvery color to it, so it looks like a bunch of melted silver, but when in fact it's actually a totally different element.
Hello, Governor. I'm here to talk to you about the toxins in mercury. Now, mercury is a substance that used to be used in thermometers and barometers alike. But today we are very smart about it, and we figured out that it can be toxic to the human body and animals alike. Therefore, we've taken it out of these barometers, thermometers, etc. However, the old ones still stay intact. But once they're busted open and too much mercury is laid into the human body, it can be fatal and detrimental, and sometimes even death occurs. That is why mercury is one of the most toxic things we have out there. It pollutes water and many other things. Now, a little bit of it is actually kind of good for you, but too much of it is bad. So in America, judge for yourself. Is mercury good or bad?
Mercury's atomic number is 80 for the amount of electrons it has altogether. Its atomic mass is 200.59 AMUs, which is really small. And its symbol on the periodic table is Hg. The atomic radius of Mercury is 171 parts per million, which is really small. You wouldn't be able to see that unless it's through a microscope. Mercury is highly conductive. It means it conducts electricity a whole lot easier than most elements would. Some of the important compounds that mercury is found in is just plain mercury. Then you got mercury 2, which is an ion, and then you got methane mercury, which is very poisonous and it kills, just as Professor Jesse said earlier.
We've also got this thing called red mercury. We use that kind of stuff in nuclear bombs. One of those goes off, forget about it. Now, red mercury isn't just mercury by itself, no. It's got a couple other elements inside, you know what I'm saying? But we use that to detonate hydrogen bombs and uranium bombs. Forget about it. We got red mercury bombs too. That stuff lets off a red glow when it explodes. Like I said, one of those goes off, forget about it.
Like I never told you. Don't act like I told you.
Mercury is absorbed into many species of fish, and these fish are consumed by humans. Of course, because fish is delicious. Mercury is more harmful to kids than it is to adults. Something about disrupting the development of the brain. This can contribute to serious defects, even if it's prenatal. So, yeah, it causes mental retardation, deafness, and blindness. So basically, yeah, that's why you gotta avoid any direct contact to mercury, because, yeah, you don't want to touch that.
Since OJ had isotoners, don't act like I never told ya. You know how long I've been on ya. Since Prince was on Apollonia. Since OJ had isotoners, don't act like I never told ya.
Okay. I didn't like that. No one's trying to videotape this right now. Okay, so mercury is liquid from the temperature of Jake's mass. I like mercury. Turn it off. Turn it off.
Yo, the red mercury is when Jake. Oh shit! This is what happens when red mercury attacks somebody.
You missed completely. You missed. I'm Jesse Caligieri, and we're gonna talk about mercury.
Oh.
So, mercury is liquid at room temperature.
So's your mom!